Hey guys, so the layer 3 airdrop number 2 farming has started, and why I am super bullish on this project is there are many reasons. First of all, you can see right here the community allocation in total will be 51% of total supply, which is insane amount. I think the max that projects usually give to community to airdrops is around 30% that I have seen that is max allocation. This project will give 51% of total supply. The number one, the first airdrop basically has already concluded, but the best part for people that haven't done anything on this basically platform is that they will only allocate, right here you can see 5% of the total supply for the early adopters for the airdrop number 1. So the rest of the allocation, which is 46%, will be basically allocated to the upcoming airdrops, and this is why I am bullish. Basically, Uniswap Labs, are QuickSwap, Polygon, DeFi, what else? Across Protocol, Arbitrum, Bungie, Zetachain. Look, so many projects basically tweeted this layer 3 icon, even PancakeSwap, which means that when the bull run actually comes, when the euphoria comes, which looks like it will be soon because the Ethereum ETF is coming out in few days, all these basically promotions, all this marketing will matter, and there will be so many new people jumping in and pumping the price of this basically layer 3 token. That's why I'm super bullish, and I wouldn't be surprised if they raised additional funds, just like OVAuto raised additional $8 million that I basically made a video about OVAuto. That's why I'm bullish on OVAuto as well. So how you can qualify for the airdrop number 2 on layer 3? If this is the first time you are using this platform, I would recommend you to go on my profile, edit your profile, add your primary wallet, add your Phantom wallet if you have one. Basically connect your Twitter, your Discord, Telegram, Forecaster. You don't have to connect that GitHub because I barely have used it on this platform. So that's the first thing. So how you can qualify for airdrop number 2? You go on the rewards. Right here you can see airdrop number 2. You see the level matters, the volume on the trades and bridges on this platform matters as well. How many quests, how many GMs, which means you basically go on this website every day and you press the GM button, which will be right here down below. So I have a 55-day streak. You get points for referrals, you get points for cubes, and here you can see the total XP. And what you want to do, the most important part, is mint basically these infinity cubes. And how you can find these cubes is go on layer 3, go on the basically recommended, scroll down, and here you will see the infinity cubes campaign, show all, and right here you can see I have done all of these basically cubes I have minted. And the best part is that this campaign will go on for 6 weeks, and I think we are only a few days in this campaign, and you can mint everything that I have minted. And right here you can see a new infinity cube quest will unlock in 3 hours, and this is the most important part in my opinion. And yeah, the second part is basically go on the rewards tab, and you will see all of these metrics that they will basically go by, even multiplier if you stay active. So that's basically how you will earn the airdrop number 2. And right here you can see airdrop number 1. They were basically looking at cubes, the first and foremost, and how early you were, volume, referrals, your level, and experience points overall. And that's basically how you will qualify for airdrop number 2. Everything is well explained. Unlike other airdrops, you basically see all your stats. And another thing I want to show you is the trophy road. So this is basically a new trophy road. I have already claimed everything that I basically unlocked. Right here you can see every 3 cubes you will have a chance to unlock, for example, 2x XP boost, which will give you 2x experience points for every quest that you complete. You will get a trade discount, and as you remember, the volume on trading and bridging is matters. So when you unlock this, do as many swaps and as many bridges as you can. If you activate the bridge discount, it will basically give you 0 layer 3 fees. And there are many more rewards. For example, the gems are really important, and the 3x boost is really, really important. And I will activate this 3x boost only when I have many quests that I haven't done yet. So I will do as many quests as I can in 24-hour period when I get have this activated. So I got 3x XP boost, which matters for the airdrop number 2 as well. Right here you can see I have collected 23 basically gems. And what can I buy? I can buy 3x boost for 20 gems, which is insane, which I will basically do. And I have one free activate that I can activate right here. So this means I have basically 2 3xp boosts that I will use when the time is right. And this airdrop will probably go for at least 3 months, in my opinion. And I think that airdrop number 2 will be much bigger as far as we are talking about allocation, because that's the smartest thing for projects to do, is to drop airdrops when the market is bullish. And I think the market will be in the euphoria in 2025 or late 2024. That's why projects are doing multiple airdrops, which is smart, so people keep using their applications and platforms. And again, I think this basically is one of the biggest airdrop that will happen in 2024 Q4 or 2025, because there are many, as I showed you, many projects that have basically supporting this layer 3. That's why I would recommend you to join. All the links are in my description. So if you want to join right now and do the quest, you have around 4 weeks, 1 month to do these quests, the Infinity Cubes. And after this Infinity Cube campaign is over, I think they will probably create another campaign. But the best thing is that you see all of your points. Everything is clear as day. And the second bullish aspect about this airdrop and about this platform is that when you are doing these quests, for example, you can do quests on Koi Finance, on Base, blockchain. Right here you can see there are so many quests on Base, and most of the cubes are minted on Base, which means that you are qualifying for multiple airdrops on Base that hasn't dropped its token yet. There are many more chains like Linea, ZK Sync, what else? Mode. Right here you can see Solana Scroll hasn't dropped a token yet. Metis has a token. Polygon hasn't dropped a token. Zora. So X-Layer, there are so many chains, tokenless chains, that are basically giving you quests, and you basically are qualifying for multiple airdrops by doing layer 3 quests as well. And another alpha I want to share you is, you can see they are basically using the socket and LeFi. And why I am bullish on this is because LeFi basically raised around $16 million, and this will be one of the biggest airdrop. And as many people know, LeFi is basically LeFi's biggest project is Jumper Exchange. And I think if you are doing the trades on layer 3 by swapping and bridging, you are basically qualifying for a Jumper airdrop. So another airdrop in your pocket if you're doing layer 3 quests. So that's why I'm super bullish, and I will be basically farming this layer 3, doing the quests, doing bridging and trading, doing GMs every day, collecting these XP points, and qualifying for the airdrop. So if you want to do it, you can do it as well. All the links are in the description and in the comment section. So if you don't want to miss on any upcoming crypto and NFT alpha, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get the notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto, NFT, and Airdrop alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.